The 10th edition of the book has the occasional cute little program at the end of the chapter. This is one of them. So what we're doing over here, we show some Windows functions to print colored text, and it displays Hello World in 16 different colors. The library that we need is the Windows.h library. .h indicates that it's an old-fashioned header library, and we're going to need it to display the colors, call sleep, and get the Windows handle. You can see that if I comment this out, that we cannot get the handle for the window. It cannot set the attribute for color over here, and we cannot work with sleep over here. So let's include it again. Now, a handle is, you can probably see it as a special number that the operating system gives an object, and that way it can refer to that specific object, and we call it over here screen. And we use the getStandardHandle function within over here the Windows header library. Okay, then you recognize something a little bit easier over here. We run through 16 colors, 0 through 15. This is less than 16, so so up to 16 includes only 15, and we go one up at a time. And then over here the console is actually this screen over here, and we set the text attribute for the screen over here, this, to a specific color, and initially the color is 0, the second time 1, the third time 3, etc. So you change the color of the print, then you print Hello World, and then you sleep for 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second equals 1000 milliseconds. So that's where the 1000 comes from. And then over here we set it back to the normal text color, and that's color number 7. So over here we run this, and it prints out in 16 different colors. And then you ask yourself, okay, which color of these is the one that's the normal color again? That's number 7. How do I see which one is number 7? So think about that for a moment. And the answer, of course, is the color of the 8th print over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one. And if you count in computerese, it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's why we have 7 over here. If we would change this to 8, then the console color would be some shade of gray after running this program. And now you see that we have our console in a totally different color. If we want to do 9, 10, 11, 12, then our console is going to be red, and it stays red. So this over here. So let's set it back to the original 7, run the program again, so we don't mess up anything for future programs. Oh, and if you would like to get the number of the colors here, let's do color, and yeah, that way you can easily identify the colors if you ever want to use this in the future. Okay, so there we are.